Hello and welcome back to Enoven Cake and Cookies. I'm Nahida and today we are making something crispy and delicious, crispy Suji Aloo Puri. Perfect for breakfast snacks or even tiffin boxes. Let's make it together. Start with half cup of Suji or Semolina in a bowl. Add half cup water gradually. Mix well and keep aside for 5 minutes. Suji gives these puris a natural crunch without needing extra frying time. Don't skip the resting time for suji, it helps soften it perfectly. Now add 2 boiled mashed potatoes to the suji. Aloo in the dough adds softness inside and crispiness outside. Add half teaspoon black seed, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon ajwain, half teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves. Finally add half cup flour and mix everything thoroughly to make a smooth dough. Ajwain adds a unique aroma and aids digestion. Take some dough, roll it out into small puris. Roll evenly, not too thin, not too thick, for best puff and texture. These puris taste amazing with chutney, curry, or even plain yogurt. Fry in medium heated oil until they puff up and turn golden brown. Always fry in medium heat. Too hot oil will brown the puris too fast without puffing. Suji is a lighter grain and easy to digest compared to refined flour. Ajwain is great for the stomach and prevents bloating. That's it, your crispy Suji Aloo Puris are ready to enjoy hot. Didn't that look crispy and fun to make? These Suji Aloo Puris are perfect for a rainy day or festive breakfast. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up and share it with your foodie friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Enoven Cake and Cookies for more creative and delicious homemade recipes. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.